So there it is, carpet in a booth. We'll see how it works out. Hey everybody, thanks for joining us today as we take a look at the Dirt Dabble Power Max XL. Join us again tomorrow when I show you yet another use for panel bond as we fix a piece of plastic that's already broke on this cheap ass. So I cleared the blue hood the other day for the second time, and I got all kind of trash in it. Fish eyes, a lot of stuff I don't normally get. I think a lot of it came off the floor in the booth. So we're gonna give carpet a chance. We're gonna try out this carpet thing. A lot of folks say that they'll never go back to not having carpet. I got some cheap carpet, put it down. We're gonna paint a few things, see how we like it. So this is probably the third, fourth thing that's been painted in here. Came out pretty good. I still see a few little pieces of trash. I think overall though, with the carpet, they're getting better paint jobs here. I don't know about you guys, but I usually don't have problems with big pieces coming off the floor. That stuff seems to stay down. It's the micro trash that gets me. If I have something big, it's usually off of the stand. I can usually see that it's some overspray because it'll land in there, and as you try to pick it out, it disintegrates into 1,000 pieces. That's usually a piece of overspray off of something. But as far as just a little dust particle, the stuff that has no color to it, but it's still there, that's the kind of stuff that drives me nuts when I get too much of that. There's not much in this bumper compared to some of the bumpers that were done before we did the carpet. This thing looks really good. So far, I'd say the carpet's doing a pretty good job of helping to turn out better paint jobs, cleaner paint jobs. Will it stay that way? I'm sure it'll change over time, but how long will it take? I don't know. We'll just have to kind of paint some stuff and see when we start having problems, decide what to do from there. Maybe go back to the old way for a little while, see if we like it. If we don't, put the carpet back in. We'll just have to see. So far, we like it. What about the legality of putting carpet in a booth? I don't know. They make products to go in a booth to do the exact same thing. Trap overspray, keep stuff on the floor. With carpet, most carpet has to be somewhat fire resistant to be in a house. So I don't know. If you're here looking for legal advice on YouTube, or especially my channel, you're in the wrong place anyway. So carpet's in, we're gonna let it ride for a little while. I'll keep coming by and checking on it, see how it's going. If I come up in a couple days and there's a bunch of carpet hanging out of the dumpster, I'll know the painter got fed up with it and threw it away. But so far, it looks pretty good. I think we're liking it. Only time will tell. I'll try to post an update in the title or something in a few weeks, maybe a month or so, after we get some more cars under our belt here, and let you know what's going on. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch y'all next time.